make this origami envelope, you will need paper, scissors, staple, and tape, which is optional. First, you take the paper and fold the paper horizontally, but not all the way. So, you will fold it around like a halfway mark, like this. Next, you will need stapler. With that stapler, you will staple like this. Then, staple other side just like you did. Then fold the paper over. Now you can open and close like this. Then you need to draw a line to show where to cut, just like video is showing. Then you will cut the line on paper with scissors like the video. Next, you need to tape the corner of triangle down. Also, you can use a sticker for this.